Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I will be sharing the viral social media video, the Nigerian carrot stew recipe. Stay tuned, let's cook together. I tried Nigerian carrot stew recipe with only tomato paste. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm excited to share a unique twist on a classic dish as I prepare a delicious Nigerian carrot stew using only tomato paste and chicken. This recipe is not only simple but also packed with flavor. Join me as I guide you through each step of the cooking process, from selecting the right ingredients to simmering the perfect stew. You'll learn how to balance the rich taste of tomato paste with tender chicken, resulting in a comforting meal that is sure to impress your family and friends. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this recipe is easy to follow and requires minimal ingredients. Don't forget to grab some carrots for that extra sweetness and nutrition. Make sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, tips, and cooking hacks. Let me know in the comments how your stew turns out, and feel free to share your variations. Enjoy cooking and happy eating. Ingredients: for large carrots, peeled and blended, add a little water if needed for blending. 1 medium onion, chopped. Half a cup tomato paste. 1 to 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, or any oil of your choice. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 to 2 cups water or broth, a chicken or vegetable. Instructions: heat oil. In a pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Fry onion. Add the chopped onion and fry until soft and golden, about 4 to 5 minutes. Add and fry tomato paste. Add the tomato paste to the pot and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will deepen the flavor and remove any raw taste. Add blended carrot. Pour in the blended carrot and stir well, allowing the flavors to combine. Season and add water/broth. Season with seasoning powder or cube salt. Add 1 to 2 cups of water or broth to achieve your preferred consistency. Simmer. Cover the pot and let the stew simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the carrots are cooked and the stew has thickened. Serve warm with rice, bread, or as a side dish.
So here's to the kitchen, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed, hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my sacred abode, where ladles compose sonnets and pots explode. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my culinary hymn, cooking joy into existence with every simmer and glaze. In the heart of my kitchen, where flavors collide, I stir magic in pots where dreams reside. From sizzling pans to fragrant spices, I weave tales of taste, my culinary devices. Recipes dance on my fingertips as I whisk memories into each dish. The stove hums secrets the oven sings, in this gastronomic symphony my heart takes wings. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board echoes with knife's embrace as I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore, in this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board cuts with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. So here's to the kitchen, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my sacred abode, where ladles compose sonnets and pots explode. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my culinary hymn, cooking joy into existence with every simmer and glaze. In the heart of my kitchen, where flavors collide, I stir magic in pots where dreams reside. From sizzling pans to fragrant spices, I weave tales of taste, my culinary devices. Recipes dance on my fingertips as I whisk memories into each dish. The stove hums secrets, the oven sings. In this gastronomic symphony, my heart takes wings. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board cuts with knives and braces. I dice soap and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice soap and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. So here's to the kitchen, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my chemist divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my sacred abode, where ladles compose sonnets and pots explode. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my culinary hymn, cooking joy into existence with every simmer and glaze. In the heart of my kitchen, where flavors collide, I stir magic in pots where dreams reside. From sizzling pans to fragrant spices, I weave tales of taste, my culinary devices. Recipes dance on my fingertips as I whisk memories into each dish. The stove hums secrets the oven sings. In this gastronomic symphony, my heart takes wings. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my chemist divine, where ingredients